Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. It's very early on a Saturday morning, it's like 7:10. We're getting ready to head off to A-Line. Before we do that, obviously we have done the brakes, doing a couple of miles, checked the carriers last night. We're just going to check all wheels tight, so we'll have a quick check of that and we'll get on the road and join the queue. We're early. I have just tried some recording on the GoPro on the way down and it is horrendous. So it's like 8:10. We didn't open until past. We're in the queue. There's a couple of cars here parked next to a very low Lexus currently. You can just see over in the corner. But we'll chill out for a bit. Maybe go and wait around the front just to make sure we don't get missed out. I can sort of see through from there, so I'm not sure if I'm going to really be able to do much recording there, so I will probably hit you up afterwards and show you what's been done and any recommendations. But if I can, I'll try and at least get a picture and insert it straight after this clip, probably. These guys are the mutts nuts for what is a standard car. Like, there's no rear adjustment on it, so we can't get rid of that camber, so we'll put some camber bolts in over winter and we'll maybe do out the top mounts so we can pull the caster, but sorted it straight out, no issues. Second on the ram, we've been here about an hour total, even with me arriving early. Really can't complain. Honestly, couldn't recommend them enough. If you've got a performance car, Subaru, Evo, anything on track, get it down here to A-Line. They are the best in the business. Just to finish this one out, guys. Obviously I didn't record any of the drive back. You won't have noticed a lot of difference in the video, so it wasn't really worth it. Honestly, A-Line is the place to go to get these set up. So obviously they're really friendly. I've been there before. I've been there with 2 Spec C Impreza's been there, my Mark 3 RS been there. We always take our cars there. It's just, it's the place to be. Really helpful. Really helpful. A little bit of advice, obviously. So we have, and I can work out which way I want to go with the camera. Obviously all the output. It's really good. They're commenting on how clean the car is. Obviously we talk a lot about C1R. So they gave some advice to what to do to bring it up to the fast road setting. So we're on about we should do the top mounts on the front, we should do the adjustable camber arms in the back. Camber arms? Do I mean camber arms? Camber bolts on the back. Just to bring it up to the fast road setting. It makes a lot of difference. Obviously it's Spec C, so the front arms are slightly different specs, so it'll help us along. But yeah, cannot recommend them enough. Go over there, see what they can do for you. Such a helpful bunch. And yeah, you might have seen it, just a little sneak peek for the next one. Tag box. So close this one out here and we're going to move on to that one. Obviously let me know if you have any comments, questions. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and we'll see you soon for the next one.